Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the tire pressure light on your Mini Countryman. First, confirm that all your tires are inflated to the correct pressure, usually found on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. Next, park your vehicle on a flat surface and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This prepares your car for the reset process. Now, locate your Mini's iDrive controller, typically found in the center console. Use it to navigate through the main menu on your display screen. You'll want to find either My Mini or Vehicle Information. Once there, select Vehicle Status to access important details about your car's current condition. This is where we'll find the tire pressure monitoring system settings. Within the Vehicle Status menu, look for the Tire Pressure Monitor or TPMS option. Select this and then choose Perform Reset or Reset Tire Pressure. Confirm your selection if prompted. After initiating the reset, you'll need to drive your Mini Countryman for a few minutes, typically at speeds above 15 miles per hour, for the system to recalibrate and the light to turn off. The system learns the new tire pressures during this drive. If your tire pressure light remains on after following these steps, first recheck all tire pressures to ensure they are correct. Then, try repeating the reset procedure. A persistent warning light could indicate a faulty TPMS sensor or a slow tire leak that needs professional attention. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.